Welcome back, ladies and gents. This is Chelsea, the wig doctor in Bowie, Maryland. Below, this is our beautiful raw chic couture hair. It is imported from various parts of the Southeast Asian area. This hair has a natural coarseness and fullness to it. The hair is single drawn, so it is thick from root to tip. I'm sorry, not single drawn, double drawn. It's thick from root to tip. There are no small, fine hairs throughout the wefts. And as you see, I'm whipping my hair back and forth and back and forth. This hair holds a lot of body. You don't have to worry about this hair having any type of thinness or silky looking hair. I know a lot of African American and Asian and Hispanic women do not prefer fine and silky hair for their custom units and extensions. This is the perfect hair for women with ethnic, curly, and thick hair. Also, we're using a 6x6 frontal with this custom unit. It can be parted within that area. I love this mini frontal because it's low maintenance. For more information, visit us and book at mainattractionshair.com.